Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change your YouTube banner on your iPhone. You first need to be using a Chrome browser. If you don't have one, you can download one from the App Store, and we're going to go ahead and type in youtube.com. And we are going to click on our profile picture in the top right. As you can see here, it does not give us an option to change the banner. So we're going to scroll down or click the three dots in the right to select open in desktop view. Once we have done that, we're going to then click on Creator Studio. And as you can see, the camera came up over the banner photo. So we're going to just choose a photo from our files. And I'm going to just choose my logo. And from there, we're going to wait for it to upload. And as you can see, now it gives us all three views of how it will look on tablet, desktop, or mobile phone. In this screen, if you scroll down a little bit lower, it also gives you the option to resize it using the handle tools or to just save it as is. So I'm going to click on select, and I'm just going to save it as it is. And as you can see now, my YouTube banner has been changed. So guys, if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn your notifications on for more tech tutorials.
Straight up by the Texas, straight up by the Texas, straight up by the Texas, straight up by the Texas.